Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Lukat Fix It is probably one of the most versatile and effective auto paint cleaning polishes on the market, designed to tackle everything from minor scratches and swirl marks to stubborn oxidation and dullness, restoring your vehicle's finish to a showroom shine with minimal effort. This innovative formula works by gently abrading the paint surface to remove imperfections while simultaneously depositing a protective layer that enhances gloss and durability, making it an indispensable tool for any car enthusiast looking to maintain their vehicle's aesthetic appeal and value. Number 5. Swirl Guys Plastic Restorer 8-ounce Kit. Are you frustrated with plastic restorers that fade quickly? Our solution renews, seals, and protects surfaces, providing results that last for months. Don't let rain ruin your car's finish. This product repels water, preventing ugly streaks and maintaining a great look for months after application. Say goodbye to greasy, wet dressings. Our formula restores trim and dries to the touch, leaving a clean finish without ruining your supplies. We are committed to quality, using advanced science and the best equipment. Our products are proudly made in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues, our dedicated team is here to help make it right. What we like. If you're tired of plastic restorers that fade quickly and streak after rain, this is the one for you. It offers results that last for months and repels water effectively. Choose this if you want a product that dries to the touch, avoiding oily residue and protecting your detailing supplies. What people say. This product is amazing, it removed scratches and swirl marks from my car. It made my car shine like new. The polish was easy to apply and buff off. Number 4. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Experience the ultimate car wax that delivers a deep, wet shine and a smooth finish. It protects your paintwork from the elements and applies and removes with ease. Enhance the gloss, depth, and reflection on any paint color. Achieve a showroom quality finish that will turn heads wherever you go. This premium wax works on clear coats, single-stage paint, polished metals, and glass. Its gentle formula is safe for all vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Our smooth, spreadable formula wipes on effortlessly and buffs off without streaks or residue. This makes waxing faster and more enjoyable than ever before. Add a pleasant tropical banana fragrance to your detailing routine. Enjoy a more enjoyable waxing session while leaving a brilliant, protected finish. It's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. It provides versatile shine and protection on painted, coated, and clear bra surfaces. What we like. For those seeking a brilliant, showroom quality shine with minimal effort, this product is ideal. It applies and buffs off easily, leaving a deep, wet look that enhances gloss and reflection. If you enjoy a pleasant scent during your detailing process and want a versatile wax safe for all finishes and vehicle types, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for removing scratches and swirl marks. It leaves a brilliant shine and protects the paint. Easy to use and provides professional results. Number 3. Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. Tired of scratches and swirls ruining your vehicle's paint? Introducing a revolutionary solution that combines cutting power with a fine finish. This powerful formula effortlessly removes imperfections like scratches, swirls, and oxidation. It restores a smooth, clear, high-gloss finish in just one step. Whether you have clear coat, single-stage, or ceramic-coated finishes, this product is safe to use. It works effectively by hand or with a machine polisher. Our silicone-free formula is safe for repainting and touch-up work. It's also perfect for prepping panels before applying coatings or protection. Save time with this easy-to-use scratch remover. It cuts fast and finishes fine, delivering professional-level results every time. Ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, RVs, and more. This is the perfect solution for both detailing enthusiasts and professionals. What we like. If you need to quickly remove scratches, swirls, and oxidation without multiple steps, consider this option. It combines compounding and polishing power for a fast, high-gloss finish. This is perfect for those who want professional results at home, saving time while achieving clarity on all paint types, including ceramic coatings. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for minor scratches and swirl marks. It effectively removes oxidation and restores the shine to dull paint. Easy to apply and buff off, leaving a smooth finish. Number 2. Chemical Guys Medium Duty Clay Bar Kit. Tired of embedded dirt ruining your car's finish? This kit safely lifts away contaminants like overspray and brake dust, restoring a smooth surface. Everything you need is in this box. It includes a medium-duty clay bar and a synthetic lubricant for a perfect paint prep. Instantly transform your paintwork by removing rough spots. Achieve a silky smooth finish that enhances gloss and reflections. Designed for safe and effective use on clear coats, single-stage paint, glass, and smooth plastics. It's perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. Ensure waxes and sealants bond properly for maximum shine and protection. This is essential for achieving that flawless finish. This detailing clay bar can be used multiple times. It's an affordable and long-lasting solution for maintaining smooth paint. What we like. For achieving a truly flawless finish, this kit is essential for prepping your paintwork. It effectively removes embedded contaminants like overspray and industrial fallout, leaving the surface silky smooth. If you want your wax or sealant to bond properly and deliver maximum shine and protection, this is the perfect preparatory step. What people say. This product is a great value for the money. It works wonders on scratches and swirl marks. The polish is easy to apply and buff off. Number 1. Chemical Guys V-Line Car Polish and Compound Kit. Introducing the V-Line Polish and Compound Kit. This comprehensive 4-bottle system is designed to restore your vehicle's paint to a flawless, high-gloss finish. Tackle everything from deep scratches and heavy oxidation to fine swirls. This kit includes compounds for heavy correction and polishes for refining gloss. Whether you have clear coat, single-stage, or ceramic-coated finishes, our products are safe for application. They work with dual-action polishers, rotary polishers, or even by hand. Achieve body shop quality results in your own garage. This kit is perfect for both daily drivers and show cars, making paint correction accessible for enthusiasts. We've made the process simple. Clearly labeled bottles guide you through each step, ensuring you choose the right product for optimal results. This polishing compound isn't just for cars. It's also ideal for trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, working safely on both OEM and custom paintwork. What we like. If your paint has a range of defects from heavy scratches to light swirls, this comprehensive kit is designed for you. It offers a step-by-step system to tackle everything, ensuring a flawless, high-gloss finish. Choose this if you're looking for professional-level paint correction at home, with clearly labeled products for ease of use on any vehicle. What people say. This product is amazing, it removed all the scratches and swirl marks from my car. The paint looks like new again after using this polish. It was easy to apply and buff off, leaving a brilliant shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.